Existing receptacles can be retrofitted to accept the enMotion Flex recessed towel dispensers from GP Pro. Before installation can occur, it's important to determine what type of existing receptacle is currently in place and measure the unit's dimensions. The most common is a two-door receptacle where one door is open to load paper product and a second door is open to empty the trash bin. For this type of receptacle, an outside mount, or OM, is preferred. However, an inside mount, or IM, can also be installed. For a two-door receptacle outside mount filler panel, measure the unit's outside width to the closest 1/8 inch and record it on the filler panel order form. Next, measure from the top of the receptacle to the bottom of the paper tray and record it on the form. Measure the depth of the cabinet and record it on the form. For a two-door receptacle inside mount filler panel, measure the receptacle inside cavity width to the closest 1/8 inch and record it on the filler panel order form. Next, measure the inside cavity top to bottom of the paper tray and record it on the filler panel order form. Be sure to indicate the number of panels needed. Complete the contact and ship to information, then forward to GP Marketing Services. Stock panels ship in 48 hours, and custom panels typically ship in 5 to 7 days. Tools needed for this retrofit are a cordless drill, hammer, chisel, punch, measuring tape, pliers, 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch drill bits, and Phillips number 10 pan head self-tapping screws. Open the door. Using a cordless drill and either a 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch drill bit, begin to drill out the door hinge, spot welds, or rivets. Using a hammer and chisel, remove the hinge and door from the cabinet. Remove the interior metal guides and brackets. Remove the paper tray. The cabinet is now ready for installation. Locate the 4 outer mounting holes on the filler panel. Mark the 4 outer mounting holes. Drill pilot holes in the sides of the cabinet. Insert the panel into place. Secure the panel to the cabinet with 4 screws. Insert the dispenser into the panel and secure it with screws through the dispenser side mounting holes. Insert the dispenser into the filler panel. Locate the 4 side mounting holes and use 4 screws to fasten the dispenser to the filler panel. Use 3/4 inch pan head self-tapping screws to fasten the dispenser to the back of the existing cabinet.